Hi guys, welcome back to A4 Biology YouTube channel. As you guys know by now, this video is about unit number 3 Q&A setup. You can use the link in the description to download the second part of the series. And if you haven't downloaded the first PDF tutorial, I have linked that also in the description down below. And I have another important message for you guys. I have created a question package based on 2017 A-level syllabus for biology, and if you wish to purchase that for a very reasonable price, please let me know in the comment section. I will also do an introductory video regarding these MCQ bundles, which are based on each unit starting from unit number 2. And I really hope this will help you guys to reach your goals. Good luck! See you from the next video. Bye!